Most people struggle with speaking in public. People don't have that confidence. We are not necessarily born with that skill to speak good, be good speakers. And so today in this video, I want to share some tips that can help you be a good public speaker. Let's get into the video. Welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Ims. On this channel, I'm creating content that I hope inspires you to live a healthier, a happier, and hopefully a fulfilling lifestyle. Why I say live your best life yet. In this video, I want to talk about some tips that can help you become a good public speaker. A lot of people struggle with public speaking, and this is normal. Not all of us are born good public speakers. We have to train ourselves, train our voice. That's why there's schools for speakers. Harvard teaches people how to be good public speakers. I'm going to share a few tips and points that you can learn from Harvard as well. Implementing these tips and trying out some of these tips that I'm sharing in this video today will definitely improve your public speaking. I guarantee this. So the first one we want to touch on is nervousness. I want you to realize that feeling nervous just before you get on stage or on the platform to speak is normal. So now this is the tip, this is the point. What you need to do, as soon as you get up on stage or on the platform to start speaking, then you will feel this rush, nervousness. Sometimes maybe your body starts shaking and maybe you're sweating. It's okay. This is what you need to do. Glance down, look at your notes maybe. Just take a deep breath before you start speaking. And don't forget to keep breathing as you keep talking. After a minute or two, you will realize that you will start coming down. You would have found your rhythm and you will then just keep going. Yes, that is tip number one. Tip number two is knowing your audience. If you know your audience well in advance, you will then prepare, know what to say, what not to say when you are on stage. That way you are not in your head, but you focus more on delivering the talk and letting people know what they need to know. You delivering the message that you are there for. Organizing your speech is very important. Make sure of what you are going to say first. A strong opening is always very important. Have your key points and have your notes lead you and focus on that. Don't ramble off topic. Just talk about what you are there to talk about, and then finish off with a powerful closing, that summarizes your whole talk, that lets people remember your whole talk as into what you were talking about the whole time when you were on stage. Practice, practice, practice. You know what they say, practice makes perfect. Yes, practice on your talk after you've written it out. It also helps to rehearse your talk in front of friends or maybe family members. Have them listen to you, and they can give you feedback on maybe lifting your voice, or maybe how to have to emphasize certain words, stuff like that, so that when you go on stage, you're very confident, you've practiced enough. Making eye contact is very important. So this is how you do it. When you're on stage, focus in on an individual in the audience. Stare at them for 3 seconds. Not just stare at them. Look at them while you're talking, while you're delivering your talk, and then after 3 seconds, move on to the next one. Talk to them, and then so on and so forth. By doing these, to onlookers or your audience, you are being very engaging, and your speech becomes very engaging. People can enjoy your talk, and this is how you become a good public speaker. Some people like to use big words. Politicians are a good example of this. They like to use words that the ordinary person would not understand. So refrain from this. Don't do this. Use simple, easy to understand English words. Give your talk in this manner. This will help your audience to understand everything that you are saying. And this is part of what makes a good public speaker, is delivering a message so that everybody understands. See, now this, honestly, I believe that everybody has the potential to be a good public speaker, because each and every one of us is very different. And what makes us good public speakers is when we are being ourselves, when we are authentic, when we speak in the manner that we normally communicate in a day-to-day life. The only difference is a speaker practices on how to speak in front of a very big audience. So don't forget to be yourself when you are practicing, when you're rehearsing for your big speeches. Be yourself, be authentic. I know sometimes you have role models, you have mentors, but you don't have to mimic them, be them for you to be a good speaker. Just be yourself. That's what I have for you in this video. If you found value in this video, please show some love. Show me, let me know by dropping a comment and liking the video. Thank you so much for hanging out. I see you in my next video.